Hey everyone, I'm going to compare the Fitbod and SmartGym apps. Fitbod is a fitness app designed to create personalized strength training workouts based on your goals, available equipment, and experience level. It generates adaptive routines that adjust as you progress, ensuring balanced muscle development and reducing the risk of overtraining. The app provides detailed exercise instructions, including videos, sets, reps, and rest times, making it easy to follow. Fitbod also tracks your performance, logging completed workouts and helping you monitor improvements over time. Its interface is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing seamless navigation between workout plans, progress charts, and exercise libraries. With integration options for health apps and devices, Fitbod offers a comprehensive solution for strength training enthusiasts. Let's discuss its customer feedback on the Google Play Store. The rating for Fitbod on Google Play reflects that most users find the app effective. Many highlights its large exercise library, easy-to-follow workout plans, and strength training routines that adapt to available equipment and tools. The rating suggests that overall users are satisfied with how Fitbod helps them plan and track workouts, even though a minority notes some variability in customization or long-term programming. Meanwhile, SmartGym is a fitness app geared towards helping users organize and track their workouts efficiently. It enables you to build customizable routines with sets, reps, rest intervals, and supports supersets and circuit training. The app provides detailed exercise history so you can monitor progress over time and observe strength gains or endurance improvements. SmartGym also offers a range of pre-built workout plans across various goals, such as muscle building, weight loss, or endurance training. Its interface is clean and intuitive, facilitating quick workout logging and easy navigation. With integration options for Apple Health and other tracking tools, SmartGym provides a comprehensive and flexible experience for fitness enthusiasts. Let's discuss its customer feedback on the Apple Store. The SmartGym app's rating on the Apple Store reflects widespread approval for how seamless and effective it is for planning and tracking workouts. Many users highlight that the SmartGym's AI-generated routines, customizable experience, and smooth Apple Watch integrations make working out easier and more organized. Now we will talk about the pricing, pros and cons. Fitbod is priced at $12.99 per month or $80 per year, offering strong AI-generated workout plans, a large exercise library, and effective tracking. Though its free version is limited, AI suggestions can be inaccurate and cardio support is weak. SmartGym costs $9.99 per month or $59 per year, providing a great custom workout builder, excellent Apple Watch integration, and suitability for home gyms, but the free tier is limited. The UI can be clunky with occasional bugs, and it's ideal for users outside the Apple ecosystem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.